Have you ever wondered why you yawn, even when you're not tired? Many believe yawning is simply a sign of sleepiness, but science tells a deeper story. When you yawn, your body takes in a deep breath of cool air. This helps lower the temperature of your brain, keeping it in an optimal range for alertness and clear thinking. Yawning is your body's natural way to refresh your mind, not just a signal to rest. Next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's your brain's built-in cooling and alertness system at work.